she spelled my name right. I think she struggled.
A mess.
I did not.
That's wrong. You didn't have to bust her out like that. That's not cool. No.
Like the first time she tried to write the M, it looked like a bird.
What?
Like a bird.
I like birdies. That's
no,
cute.
like a bird that looks like an M, but like really stretched out. So it looks like a bird more than an M.
It's quite a man.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
It's worse than you.
Like a McDonald's?
The car.
Someone backwards 3 likes the way wait what like
Ooh,
someone
You
like
stuck,
you,
right?
someone like you is way too special for just a birthday card. So you can keep the envelope too.
I think we're done.
Hope you enjoy it.
You're fired,
No,
Jermaine.
it's making me. It's the wording. Like some words are capitalized, some words are lowercase. It's messing with me.
Sure.
I'm struggling to read.
Thank you, Abby.
Thank you.
Woo!
Did you see what?
Yeah, happy 15th. 15th, but
Happy
and then
Oh,
fifth, but then
Oh.
corrected with a 7.
A
17th
mess.
birthday. Have fun.
You're just gonna keep
in
calling
your
her
last year.
out.
Not
That's all right.
of
You was
not
not right.
much responsibility. Abby, what a smiley face. Thank you, Abby.
Oh, wow.
And she gave me a $20 Barnes & Noble gift card.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Big bills.